Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this lesson, I'll teach you how to calculate break-even point. So let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. Airline Limited manufactures one product. Okay, that means this company has only one product to produce. Okay, the following information available for the production of one unit of product for the year ending 30th June 2014. Okay, so these are the items given in the question. So we need to calculate our break-even point. Okay, so what is written here in the last? The budgeted output is 18,000 units. Okay, that means these are the cost for 18,000 units. Okay, per year, which represents 75% of total production capacity. That is, production capacity is more than 18,000. Okay, so we'll calculate for 18,000 units. First of all, we need to calculate the contribution. Okay, so how to calculate contribution? You know, contribution equal to selling price minus variable cost. Okay, so let us write here selling price. So what is here? $32. So write selling price is $32. Okay, so here we have two columns just to facilitate our calculation. Okay, so dollar here, details. Okay, then we have to subtract all of our variable cost from this selling price. Okay, so what is the variable cost? Variable cost. Okay, so what are the variable costs here? First of all, we have direct material. So right here, direct materials. Okay, what is the price here? $6.50. So right here, 6.50. Okay, then we have direct labor. So right here, direct labor. Okay, so what is here price? $8.50. So right here, $8.50. What is next? Variable factory overheads. Okay, so let us write here variable factory overheads. Okay, what is the price here? Oops. So here value is $3. Okay, so right here $3. Do we have any more variable cost? Yeah, we have one more here. Variable selling and administration overheads. Okay, $2.50. So right here variable selling and admin overheads. Okay, so what is the price here? $2.50. Okay, so I hope these are the items here given in the question, variable costs. So we wrote all of them. Now we need to total them. Okay, so if we insert total, how much comes? It is here $20.50. Okay, now let us subtract this $20.50 from this selling price. Okay, if we subtract here, we get $11.50. Okay, this is our contribution. So let us write here contribution. Okay, fine. So now we need to calculate our fixed cost. Okay, so what are the fixed cost here? Here we have, then here we have, we have just two fixed cost. So right here, fixed cost equal to this is factory overhead, $5. So right here, $5 plus one more we have here, fixed selling and administration overheads. Okay, one is here 3.50 cents. Okay, so right here $3.50. So if we add them, it is $8.50. Okay, so what we did, we have calculated the contribution, we have calculated the total value of fixed cost. Okay, so now what to do? What is the fixed cost for this 18,000 units? So our fixed cost will be here 18,000 units times $8.50 cents. Okay, if we multiply, it is $153,000. Okay, this is fixed cost for this 18,000 units. So now we will calculate our break-even point. Okay, so what is the formula for break-even point? We know break-even point equal to fixed cost divided by contribution. Okay, so we know break-even point BEP equal to fixed cost divided by contribution. Okay, so let us write here contribution. Okay, so what is our fixed cost here? We already calculated our fixed cost, which is $153,000. Okay, and our contribution is 11.50 cent. Okay, so right here 11.50. Okay, now if we calculate, our answer is 13,305 units. Okay, so this is our break-even point in units. So this is very easy, but you need to know the process to calculate this break-even point in units. So let us review once again what we did. First of all, we calculated our variable cost. Then we subtract this variable cost from the selling price. Okay, to calculate our contribution, which is here 11.50 cent. Okay, then we calculated our fixed cost, then we multiplied by 18,000 units. Okay, so then we write the formula for break-even point, which is fixed cost divided by contribution. Okay, we calculated, we got 13,305 units. By the way, this question is actually taken from Cambridge A-level accounting past papers. Okay, so who knows, maybe you will get this type of questions in your exam. So practice, learn how we did it here. So check out my channel, there are so many videos to practice, to learn accounting. This will help you to understand. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed, you understood how we calculated this break-even point here, and next time I'll see you with new videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.